Alright, I wanted to post a review of these number 74 replacement LED lights for your dash. I got these from superbrightleds.com. It's not a sponsored video. I just bought them there. And I hadn't seen too many reviews on YouTube about them, so I wanted to post a video about these. And I got them 6300K white. You can dim the lights. So right now I have my headlights on. I turn them off, they get a little bit brighter. Now the only thing that I see the problem with these lights that is not really being captured in the video, well, there you go, you can kind of see it, is the hot spots for the lights. So you can see at the 20, 60, 100, and 140, you can see where it's brighter, and around it's not as bright. Same thing on the tack. And you can also see on the information part right there. Also, same thing. It's not so bad over here on this side, but then again, the LEDs are bunched up together closer. I did replace all of them, so even the high beam as well. I was ordering them all and they were 99 cents or 95 cents. Also replaced the turn signals as well. Figure since I'm already ordering them. And then also changed out this one as well. They'll use a number 74. This is for a 2002 Nissan Altima. I still cannot find what lights this one uses, because as you can see, the left side is out. But yeah, if you guys like them, check them out. superbrightleds.com. Like I said, it's not a sponsored video. I just bought them from that website. Thought they looked good, so I figured I would share with the internet. All right, enjoy.